Well, there you go. February 1st. My ice volcano is now an iceberg. Hard to believe that much open water on my pond. Even getting thin over there. Dark spots. Spot there about ready to go through. Another one there. Won't be long. Get the waterfall going. The bog going. Oh my God. Look at that. First sighting. Two. Nice. Oh. Three koi, 1st of February. Nice. Zoom out. Anyways, yeah. Glad I come on out to see what was left of the volcano. And see 3. Now I got to see the other 150. Anyways, guys, have a wonderful day. Hope to see you soon. Talk to you later. Bye for now.